Well, hey there, John here, and I'm back in the Eastman Discovery Lab at the Hands-On Discovery Center on another very special day. Today is National Missing Socks Day. Where do they go when you're doing laundry and you're going to fold the laundry and all these socks are missing? Look at all these socks that I brought from home that are missing their mate. They're lonely. They're so sad. There's no use for them. But is there? Because we've actually had a request for bubble science. We can actually pair these missing unmatched socks with some bubbleology to make bubble snakes. First, how do we make our proprietary bubble mix? Actually, it's no secret. You can take a little bit of pre-made bubble soap and just boop, add it to a container. Not a lot, just a little bit will do ya. Some Dawn dish detergent. It's great. Just a little into a container and then top it off with a splash of dihydrogen monoxide. That mixture will make great bubble mixture, and it's pretty affordable. Mix it up nice and perfect. Now, for our bubble snake apparatus, we're gonna grab a empty soda bottle. This one's just a smaller one. You could try with a 2-liter, experiment around with different size bottles, and we're gonna carefully cut it along maybe just below one of these ridge lines. We want this ridge line because we're gonna actually rubber band a piece of fabric, socks, onto the bottom. We want that ridge to actually hold the rubber band in place. So very carefully you're gonna, there we go, cut around this ridge line just below it a little bit. With a pair of scissors, you may need to ask for an adult assistant to help with this because especially that initial cut into the bottle is a little bit scary. There we go, and just discard the bottom. We don't need it. But this is going to be our bubble apparatus here. As I said, we're going to take a sock. This is an old one, still missing the other one. We're going to slide it over this bottle and duct tape it. Of course, if you have like holes in your old socks, you don't want to use that. Find a nice full section of fabric and then just rubber band it into place. Now this fabric, it's made up of thousands and thousands of individual threads, and in between them there are little tiny openings that work like little bubble wands, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. So when you dip this into your bubble mix, it's like making thousands of little bubble wands. Now, when you go to blow your bubble snake, it's important. Do not inhale the bubble mix, because if you've ever inhaled bubbles, it's no good. It's not a pleasant sight. So inhale, and then blow through your bubble snake maker. Ready, set. Oh! It makes thousands of bubbles, and they kind of curl around like a snake. Let's keep going. See how big of a snake you can make. Oh my gosh, this one's going crazy. But you can add on to it. Once you've dunked your bubble snake maker into the bubble mix, you can actually add a couple drops of food coloring to it, make colorful snakes.
Here we have a little bit of red. Let's do some yellow. Why not? Let's make this multicolored. And maybe a little bit of blue just to liven things up.
Check this out. When we have all these different primary colors on our bubble snake maker, we make Technicolor snakes. Oh, it looks so cool. But you can actually take it even further. Here, let's get a clean one here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, he's right in front of me. Over here, hiding in the corner, I actually have a tank of helium. Helium gas is actually lighter than air. Let's move these guys out of the way so you can see. And you might actually have a tank of helium lying around the house. You can actually get them at party stores for birthday parties. So you can
inflate balloons that are lighter than air.
If you use your bubble snake, I should say, maker, and just kind of inflate it, and then release them into the air. Oh, they're gonna float for a while. Let's try that again. Some really big bubbles, and up you go. Be free, my flying snake, be free. Oh, but eventually he is gonna come down, and I hate it when flying bubble snakes attack. So I'm gonna get out of here. But before I do, guys, if you like this video, try this activity out at home. Give us a thumbs up button, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video upload, and check the description below because we're gonna be listing a whole bunch of science standards related to bubble snakes. Also, there'll be some information down below on how you guys at home can help us keep the science alive. But, I see him, he's coming. I'm out of here, guys, bye!